This is Shama Sheikh from Swami Vivekananda Ahmednagar College. Today I will be speaking on Ayurveda Spirituality Science. आयुः कामये मानेन धर्मार्थ सुख परमादराः आयुर्वेद उपदेशेषु द्विदेय परमादराः. The subtle mind consists of impressions of billions of unfulfilled desires of the past births. These will be completely eliminated through yoga samadhi. The samadhi acquired yogi shall benefit not only himself but people around him. The brain shall respond to the physical problems. The mind responds to the internal problems. As such, to obtain the divinity, one should divert one's mind mentally. Mind can be made steady either by meditation on God or by jnana, that is wisdom. Cerebrum is the center of consciousness and seat of voluntary process in the human skull. When there is a hindrance to this process, it causes disturbance. The more is the hindrance, the more the hesitation of the cerebellum causes the more disturbance. These leads to the fox paws. Then more and more he will have greediness, revenge, miserliness, habit of telling lies shall be taking place in the human subconsciousness. Hypothalamus gland is responsible for the mental behavior that is subtle body. It is sandwiched between Ajna Chakra and pituitary gland. The excitation of the pineal gland is imperative for the constructive ideas. The third eye between the two eyebrows is required for this Kriya Yoga. Now, to be excited for this, in this Kriya Yoga, the chanting of the Gayatri mantra is essential. Using the yogic methods for opening of the third eye shall lead to the mental as well as the physical happiness and hence healthiness. The Ajna Chakra in this Kosthastha shall be sending its instruction to the other chakras, plexus, junction, boxes through the pituitary gland behind the eyes. These instructions are received by the exocrine and endocrine glands. Glands secretes hormones directly into the blood and further to the organs in the body for controlling their functions. For example, Manipura chakra at the navel consists of the adrenal gland. Anahat chakra at the heart consists of the thymus gland. Vishuddha chakra at the throat consists of the thyroid gland and gets instructions from the Ajna chakra like this. So, it is essential to do yoga for the healthy functioning of these chakras and junction boxes. So, please start doing yoga. Thank you for listening to me and for your patience.